If you want visitors to contact you instantly from your website, one of the easiest things you can do in Elementor is add a Mailto link. This is a simple but powerful feature that lets someone click a button, heading, or icon and automatically open their email app with your address already filled in. It's great for contact pages, call to action buttons, support links, and any place where you want to make email communication faster and easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use a Mailto link in Elementor step by step. And I'll also show you the final publishing step so your changes go live properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tips and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your page in Elementor and decide where you want the email link to appear. You can use a button widget, a heading widget, or even an icon widget depending on the design of your page. If you want something obvious and clickable, a button is usually the best choice. If you want a cleaner design, you might prefer linking text or an icon instead. Once you've selected the widget you want to use, click on it so the settings panel opens on the left side of the screen. Now go to the Content tab. This is where Elementor keeps the main settings for the widget, including the link field. Look for the link field. This is the most important part of the process. In that field, you need to type Mailto, followed immediately by your email address. Make sure there are no spaces between Mailto and the email address. The format needs to be exact so the browser knows to open the user's email app. For example, you would enter mailto:hello@yourwebsite.com. That's it. No extra text, no spaces, and no special formatting needed. Once someone clicks that button, heading, or icon, their device will open the default email application and create a new message with your email address already inserted. If you want, you can also use this same method for different sections of your site. For example, you could add a contact button in your header, a support email link in your footer, or a simple text link inside a service page. The process is the same every time. Just select the widget, find the link field in the Content tab, and use the Mailto format with your email address. Now here's something important to understand. On a desktop computer, this will usually open the user's default mail app, such as Outlook, Apple Mail, or another installed email client. On a smartphone, it will usually open the primary email app, like the Mail app or Gmail, depending on what the user has set as their default. So this is a very convenient way to make communication easier across both desktop and mobile devices. After you've entered the Mailto link, double check that the email address is correct. Even a small typo can stop the link from working properly. Once everything looks good, move to the top right corner of Elementor and click Publish. This is the final step that makes your Mailto link live on your website. If you don't publish, the changes won't be visible to your visitors, so always make sure you save and publish the page before you exit. After publishing, you can test the link by previewing your page and clicking the button or text to confirm it opens the email app the way you want. And that's all there is to it. Using a Mailto link in Elementor is quick, simple, and really useful for improving your website's contact experience. Whether you're creating a call to action button, a support link, or a contact section, this little trick can make your site much more user-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Elementor tutorials, WordPress tips, and website design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.